Hey, how's it going? I have a 2018 Holden Colorado, and I found on Facebook Marketplace a group that was talking about the lid lock, which is a device by a guy who realized that there was a problem with the Holden Colorado airbox, which the tabs snap. I'm going to show you in a minute what mine looks like, and this product is designed to fix the problem. So I'm going to install it and let you know how it goes. This is the package that just arrived by post. So I already opened it, but this is pretty much what you get. It's packed quite nicely. So you get the this card with like a QR code to tell you how to install it, and I guess I'll see how it goes, and if it goes well, I'll leave a good review. You get the instructions on how to install it, but I just watched the video. And you get some bolts. I think they're like a 40mm and a 60mm bolt and some washers. And then you get the lid lock, which is actually like it's just a 3D printed part really, but obviously it's been designed and engineered by the guy who sells it, which is cool. So it's got like some screw inserts there. I actually have a 3D printer, and I thought about trying to design one by myself, but you know, I'm not very good at CAD, so so yeah, there's two pieces and they basically click together. So that's it. I'm gonna go and get my tools and install it. So guys, these are the tools that I used, and I would recommend, if I'm just gonna talk you through this quickly. So that's fine, the 6.5mm on the drill. That is okay. That's for the original bolts to secure it all. I think it's a 10mm by the looks of it. Now I would probably, instead of opting for this, I would probably just use a regular 5mm Allen key, and instead of using a multi-tool, I would probably use a proper like long flat screwdriver. And I think the knife in this is cool, but yeah, you could use a proper Stanley knife, and then probably be better off with no, these pliers are fine. But that's what I used. All right, this is what we're looking at here. So this is the problem, right? So you'll see here the clips, like this little clip. There you go. It's just made of this really flimsy, brittle plastic that all of them break, right? So this is a very, very common problem. So this is what I've done temporarily to fix it. I've got these ratchet clamps to try and keep the lid on, which it has done so far, but obviously it's not ideal because you're going to get little bits of air and dust and crap getting in there. All right, so that's what this product is designed to fix. Okay, so nothing particularly fancy to do this. I'm just using like a multi-tool. Undo these. They're hose clamps. That'll probably pop off. How loose that's going to be. And this one here. Oh, of course, that one's going to be a bit more difficult, isn't it? Probably should have just. There we go. Alright, I don't know if you can see here, but my tabs are already broken. That doesn't look good. That's no good. I gotta get that tab off down there, so we'll give that a go. Get this out. All right, as you can see, I haven't got this perfect. Right, it's a bit rough, but you know it does say it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so we've got the this one, the one with the writing on it. All right. Apparently it's got to go, these bits, the tower's got to go towards the engine, which is this way. Well, that snapped on nicely, didn't it? All right, next. My groove is lined up with the seam. What groove? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's like a little groove here, and that's gonna go line up with this seam. Yeah. How good is that? All right. Oh, gotta put the other half on. All right, so other half is supposed to click into place, so there must be a seam underneath there. Let's have a look, see how this goes. We have to move this a bit. It's gonna go more like that. Okay. Hose is in the way. Okay, let's go around like that. Fuck off. Alright. Okay. Alright. Don't think it's supposed to be perfect, this bit. We got here. So there you have it, guys. That's the lid lock airbox replacement on the 2018 Colorado. If you've got it on your Colorado, it'd be cool to know if you had any issues. I didn't really have any issues. I guess if I were to do it again, I'd probably change my tools that I did. I'd use a proper flat screwdriver and a proper Allen key just to make it a little bit easier. So yeah, give it a go and fix your Colorado. The only thing I'm going to add is I will come back in, I think they said in a week's time and then a month's time to tighten the nuts, or just to check that they're tight. So what I'll do is I'll just leave a comment. I'll pin the comment in to give you an update on how that went. All right, cool. Take it easy, guys.